All right, let's take a break from the usual market charts and dense white papers for a minute. Today, we're going to dive into a story that honestly has all the makings of a holiday classic, but with a cool modern Web3 twist. It's all about how a single, generous act on Christmas Eve created a real miracle for the Sports Future project. Something truly magical happened. I mean, that's how the Sports Future team described it, and it just perfectly captures the feeling, doesn't it? In the crypto world, we throw around the word community all the time, but this is a powerful reminder of what that word actually means. It's about people coming together to build something, especially when you least expect it. So what exactly was this Christmas miracle? Well, this wasn't about some forgotten crypto wallet suddenly being found, or a random market pump. Nope, this was something way more personal. And, in the long run, way more valuable for the project's future. Now, what's so cool about this is that the whole thing was completely grassroots. It grew right out of the Sports Future community itself, not from some big planned partnership. It literally all started with just a simple conversation. You know how every great story has that one moment, that one little spark that gets everything going? Well, for Sports Future, that spark was incredibly simple, and it came from the very heart of the project. So, to really get this story, you have to know about the angels. And no, we're not talking about mythical beings here. These are the 25 core foundational members who've been there, believing in and supporting Sports Future right from the start. They really are the heart and soul of the community. And that's it. Seriously, that was the spark. One of these dedicated angels was just hanging out in another community chat and casually mentioned the work Sports Future is doing. There was no sales pitch, no big ask, just a genuine shout out about empowering athletes through their ecosystem. Okay, so a casual mention in a chat leads to what exactly? Well, this is where the story takes a turn from just a simple conversation to a real, tangible, game-changing gift for the project. Within hours, literally hours, that casual mention turned into something incredible. A member of that other community stepped up and gifted the project a fully functional TradeBot, completely free. But wait, what even is a TradeBot, and why is this such a massive deal for Sports Future? A TradeBot isn't just a piece of software. A better way to think of it is like a perpetual engine for the project. It's an automated system that can execute trades in the crypto market to generate a steady stream of revenue. So this isn't a one-time donation. It's a gift that's designed to create sustainable value forever. And this is what really makes it a Christmas miracle. The gift was given anonymously, with absolutely zero strings attached. It was just a pure act of belief in the project's mission, totally fueled by the generosity of the holiday season. A powerful tool is one thing, but how does a piece of code actually translate into helping athletes? I mean, that's the most important question here. So let's connect the dots and see how this gift directly fuels the core mission of Sports Future. This slide just lays it out so perfectly. It's this beautiful impact loop. It starts with one person's generosity providing a tool. That tool, the TradeBot, gets put to work, generating value. And then that value flows directly to the project's number one goal, funding real-world scholarships for athletes. It's a perfect cycle, turning a digital gift into tangible support. So ultimately, this single event is like a microcosm of the entire vision. It's all about using community and technology to build a new, decentralized, and honestly, more fair future for sports. A future where athletes are directly supported by the ecosystem built around them. This whole thing was so inspiring that the Sports Future team decided, you know what? Let's open the door for others who might hear this story and want to contribute to the mission as well. So for anyone who's inspired by this, there are a bunch of ways you can become a part of this movement. The project is growing its ecosystem through contributions of tools, like more bots, community memberships, or even crypto that can help power this whole engine of support. And what's really important to remember here is that every single contribution, no matter the size, directly fuels this mission. Each one helps build a stronger ecosystem, and at the end of the day, supports the athletes who are at the very heart of it all. You know, this quote from the team really just captures the whole spirit of the project. It's a collaborative effort. It's this shared belief that by working together, the community can create something truly meaningful and beautiful in the world of sports. And that leaves us with this final thought. This entire story, this powerful new tool, a direct path to funding athletes, this whole wave of inspiration, it all started with just one person, casually mentioning a project they believed in.
It really makes you wonder, what else can a single act of generosity build? Thanks for tuning in.